The much awaited Indian Premier League is finally making its return, to the delight of every cricket fanatic. The 13th season of the Indian Premier League will start off with the clash of the Titans, as the Pultons from Mumbai will take on the Yellow Brigade from Chennai. So let's have a look at what the teams look like. Let's see what the probable 11 seems to be. Quinton de Kock and the captain Rohit Sharma should be opening the batting lineup. Well, they might fancy a chance with Chris Lynn and Quinton opening and Rohit slipping in at number 3. Rohit will be followed by Surya Kumar Yadav and Ishan Kishan. Now that will add a wonderful left-right combination in the middle as well. They will be followed by the all-rounders Pollard and the Pandya brothers. And then Rahul Chahar, Trent Bolt and Bumrah will be coming in respectively. Coming to the side from Chennai, the Yellow Brigade. It seems a very settled side, with Shane Watson and Rayudu being the trusted opening pair, and Faf du Plessis and Rituraj Gaikwad making their position at number 3 and 4. There might be a bit swapping, like Faf coming in at number 3 or 4. It depends on the situation and what Dhoni thinks. At number 5, Kedar Jadhav. At number 6, Ravindra Jadeja. And 7, Bravo. This sums up the all-rounder session. Then comes Piyush Chawla, Deepak Chahar, Shardul Thakur and Lungi Ngedi. So they have a pretty fixed batting lineup and pretty stable one as well. Now let's have a brief tally, a brief comparison between the two sides, what they look like. In the batting department, the Mumbai Indians edge slightly over the Chennai Super Kings. In the bowling department, dividing them into two, the Chennai Super Kings definitely has a better spin department. And when it comes to the pace department, well, you have to give the points to Mumbai Indians, as they have world number 1 and world number 2 ODI bowlers, that is Trent Bolt and Jasprit Bumrah. So again, in the pace department, Mumbai is going to have the edge over Chennai. But let's not forget that this time the IPL is in Dubai. So the tracks are going to be pretty spin friendly. And the side with better spinners might just edge over the side with a better pace attack. So it's tough to predict who will emerge victorious today. Best of luck to all the sides, and let's witness a wonderful cricketing game after such a long wait.